In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete strike-through with Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever added a strike-through to a PDF and later realized it wasn't needed, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove it. A strike-through in Acrobat is an annotation, which means you can select it and delete it without changing the actual text of the document. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. When the app loads, you should land on the home screen. From here, you'll see a section that highlights files you've recently worked on. This is the easiest place to jump back into your document without having to browse through folders. Look for the recent area on the home screen. It typically displays thumbnails or a list of your latest PDFs. Take a second to scan the list and make sure the correct file is there. Seeing it in recent is a good sign you're opening the right version of your document. Double-click the document where you want to delete the strike-through. Acrobat will open it to the last viewed page or to page 1, depending on your settings. If you don't immediately see the text with the strike-through, use the page thumbnails or the scroll bar to navigate to the right page and adjust the zoom so the markup is easy to target. Now click directly on the strike-through markup. You'll know you've selected the annotation when you see it highlight or a small context box appears near your cursor. If you're unsure you've clicked the markup itself and not the text, hover slowly until the line reacts, or you see a subtle outline indicating it's selectable. Zooming in a bit can make this step more precise. Once you've clicked the strike-through, look for a tiny trash bin icon in the context options that appear. That trash bin represents the delete action for this specific annotation. You might also see other quick tools, but for removing the markup, the trash bin is what you want. Click the trash bin to delete the strike-through. The line should disappear immediately, confirming the annotation has been removed from that spot. If you remove the wrong markup by accident, use undo to revert the change and try again. Before you close the file, it's a good idea to save, so the removal is preserved the next time you open the document. If there are multiple strike-throughs, repeat the same click and trash process for each one. That's all there is to it. Simple, precise, and fast.